Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to create AI videos with Sora. Firstly, go to Sora.com and log in using your ChatGPT account info. Browse the recent and features sections to get inspiration from other users. In the prompt box, describe the scene you want to create. Use specific terms like animated, 3D, or illustration to achieve your desired style. Sora typically generates a cinematic, live-action aesthetic by default. Select the font like 16:9 and is recommended for a cinematic look, while 9:16 is ideal for vertical content. Choose between 480p, 720p, or the highest quality. For cinematic videos, of course, choose the 1080p quality. Depending on your plan, set a duration between 5 to 20 seconds. Click the plus icon in the prompt box, upload an image and describe the desired shot. Generated videos will appear in your library on the left. Be aware that Sora may add unexpected scenes or element. Just click the storyboard to start a timeline on your uploaded image as the first frame. Add more video prompts directly to the timeline to craft a sequence. The storyboard can be unpredictable. Experiment to find your style. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.